Okay, I'm back here, and this is as far as I got on the other day. So I'm looking at this. This 2x4 don't look bad at all. I'm gonna replace that 2x4 and that 2x4 there, and I'm in the process of taking out this 2x4. And I think that one on the bottom, I'm just going to cut that a little bit because it's going to be wrapped anyway, so you won't see it, so it won't continue rotting. And then I'm going to replace this plywood that's on the side. That's all rotted here and up there. So I'll show you as I progress. I can't work the phone and do this at the same time. So I'll see you in the next portion. I just want to show you how far the rot goes up in here. That's a lot of rot. I didn't think there was that many 2x4s that were rotted so bad. So I'll continue on taking stuff apart and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Just want to show you, I'll open one of the walls and it looks like somebody lost some nails. So I've taken out this section here, and if you can see up there, I snapped a line going all the way across to where I'm taking out, this plywood here, all the way up to there where that blue line is. That's going to be where I'm going to take it out. And let's see what happens. Let's see what's underneath all this stuff after I take it out. You got a little bit of rot there. I think it's rot. I don't know, but like I said, it's going to be covered with plywood, so it's not going to matter. Okay, as you can see, a lot of this 2x10 is or 2x8. I think it's a 2x8 is rotted. I don't have another 2x8 to throw up there. So what I'm going to do is surgically cut this thing so I could fit a 2x4 in its place up here and piece it together. Because it's just the bottom part of it that's rotted out on this side over here. So I'll show you what that looks like after. Okay, now as you can see, I finally got down to the good wood on this project. And all I'm going to have to do up there, right over there, is I'm going to put a 2x4 right across there. And going to have to put another 2x4 right in here to support the new plywood. And yeah, then it'll look good. All right. Okay, I got the new header up there. As you can see, it looks really good. And I was trying to figure out why they had two 2x4s notched out there. I couldn't figure it out. Now, I put the garage door down and I see what they've done. I don't know if these garage doors didn't fit or they got them on sale and they just, I don't know what they did. But so I got to put two more 2x4s there so that we can put the plywood back up and cover that hole there. And also down here, as you can see, the garage door, I need to repair the bottom part of the garage door, but we'll get to that when I get to that. All right, first of all, I got to put the plywood back up, and then I got to put the siding back up, and then the metal wrap back up. So I'm gonna get working on that right now. I'll show you what it looks like after the fact. Okay, so I have now got it all framed out, and I got this 2x4 in here to secure the plywood that I cut there. So that's all secured. So now all I got to do is cut out the plywood, cover it, and then put the house wrap on it, and then put the siding back on, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I got the plywood back up on it, and it's looking like a new garage opening. All right. Now this stud here, I didn't put all the way to the ground because that's how it got rotted in the first place. And it's almost like they put the stud into the ground itself. And so all the water went down there to rot it. So I kept this one a little high. And it's going to be covered by some metal wrap, so it's not going to really show. Okay, well, I finally got the wrap back on there, the metal wrap. And so now all I got to do is put the siding back on, and that'll be it. Then all I got to do is take care of the garage doors like I was supposed to do in the first place. Remember the rot down there. So anyway, I got this much done. So as you can see, I got the siding all back up and everything, and looks as good as new. Now all I got to do now is finish prepping these doors for painting. Most garage doors get rot on the bottom of the doors because, you know, water splashes up and all that other stuff, and they're very susceptible to the moisture. So I had to scrape off what was rotted on both of these doors, and used a wire brush to get in there as far as I could. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some of my door patching material, and you're probably wondering what that is. Well, my door patching material is Bondo. That's right, folks. This will repair and almost waterproof your doors, but they'll probably still get stuff from on the bottom, even though you put a rubber protector down there. But anyway, I'm going to get to Bondoing, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Okay, now here's the garage doors with the Bondo on them. I got to come back tomorrow and finish this side over here. But the owner's going to spray paint after I get done tomorrow. She's going to spray paint the house and everything, and I'm going to paint the doors, and I'm going to paint the steps that I replaced the boards on and the top of the deck, and finish fixing that little patch job right there. So that's what it looks like, folks. Okay, there's the garage doors all painted, looking good. You can't even tell where the Bondo starts and finishes. All looking good. Got any questions? Leave some comments down there. I'll be glad to answer questions and comments.